so let's take this out. I'm gonna take the switch plate cover and try to put it on here so that we can see. And it just seems to be like there's something. I'm just gonna cut along the inner side here. There. Now it fits. Hey, okay. So that's how I installed my outlet cover.
In my son's room.
In my son's room.
Just,
And that's
can you say that again?
And that's how I installed the, what am I doing? The
And that's
outlet
how
cover.
I installed
And
the
that's how-
outlet covers in my son's room.
And that's how I installed the outlet covers in my son's room.